Hey guys, I'm filming on my MacBook right now. I'm in my office, hence the different background. I just thought I'd let you know, in case you don't follow me on Instagram stories, that I have split this video off from the last part 1. So if you haven't seen that yet, watch that first. And we're going to continue recluttering, restocking my beauty room. And there are going to be a few parts to this series, in case you missed it. Like, I'm not even making a dent yet. Stay tuned for all of the rest of the parts of this series. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Okay, straight away, I'm just going to do a mini declutter action here. So it's really dark again. Oh my god, I can't get this right. Makeup key. That's gone now, so we may as well like just declutter some. And like, I'm pretty sure all of these are discontinued. Can I stand these up? Or is that just going to be a pain in the ass? Like, I feel like I can't even see them really. Okay, this works because the top of the matte packaging is kind of like NARS-ish. Like, it's kind of like non-slip. I think some of these are probably discontinued, but I don't know. Do pigments go off? Like, do they expire? I don't actually know. Either way, I never use them, but somehow I don't know, I can't get rid of them. Like, I'm just like, no. I think they're just so pretty to look at. I've got all of these too. But I've also got MAC pigments somewhere. I'm just trying to find them. I just saw them and now I can't find them. I found them. Should my glitters be going in here too? Dude, I don't even know anymore. Maybe I could put my colourful primers down here for inspo. See in the back here? I'm gonna lift it out though so we can see what we're doing. Primers maybe? Like, well, what are they called? Bases? Now, this is going to be a teething kind of situation. I'm probably gonna like, you know, do this and then be like, no, that doesn't work, or no, that's inconvenient, you know, because some of the stuff's getting a bit layered up. And if I find it being a pain in the ass, then we'll come back to it and, you know, we'll do some more organising. But for now, this is what we're doing. So I feel like if I can see these while I'm grabbing primers, because usually I grab my like normal P.O.BOX one, like this one here. I might see all these and be like, oh, actually, let's have a play. I'm gonna move these up. I mean, I can just dig. Like, that's fine. So those are all of my P.O.BOX. I'm gonna get rid of all these lip balms out of here. We're gonna put them somewhere else. I don't really use them that often anyway. Like, I might just use one every now and again. And what do I want to put down there? My nude eyeliners. My colourful ones. They look so good here though. I'm stumped. See, this is going to be teething. Don't get put off. Don't be like, oh my god, I liked your old storage way better, it worked way better. I'm feeling that way right now, but it's a teething process, like I keep saying. It's going to be okay. I feel like it's just going to be a, you know, see how it goes kind of process. I'm just going to pop these neons in here too. These are OPV Beauty. Pigments are all in there. Sorry, you could barely even friggin' see. This is so inconvenient. There we go. Let's move these back for a second. And here I'm going to do more eyeliners in the form of these like liquid activated. I can't talk. Oh, that fits so satisfying. Look at that. That's annoying though. Got my eye halos, Bakes with Beauty. Declutter these. They're really hard to like find, I feel like, for most people. The Shiseido little paint pot things. I love them though. And I think I'm going to throw out all of these colour pot ones. I feel like they're like 5 years old and they're just all going to be crusty. There's something I definitely am keeping, 1000%. My Huda Beauties. Let's see if we can make these fit nicely. We can go like that, or okay, now these two don't fit. Pop them back there. I don't know. There's some more random pigments, some jar ones, some top coats, Natasha Denona. Charlotte Tilbury Eyes to Mesmerize. I feel like those are so old. Are they still okay? I mean, they look it. Let me just pull out everything that I want to put in this drawer. Because I can also put some where like the glitters are. Like maybe all these pigments can go where the glitters are going to go. I feel like that would probably make more sense. I don't know though. Maybe I can put some eyeliners down here. Like all of these ones. I feel like I could put my most used eyeliners in here in terms of like, you know, a liquid liner and everything. These are brand new, so I'll put those in my brand new area. Okay. Eyeliners, lash glues, gel liners down in that bottom bit. I'm gonna move all of these. So I've got some like brown liners. That's a black one. I might put the black one in here. So these are all like my lighter colours, I would say, and pinks, nudes, yellows, oranges, golds. And then on this other side, we're going to do all of the blacks and darker like emerald colours, greens, blues, purples. I feel like this way, once again, it's going to inspire me to actually like use colourful liners again. I think that works for me, and I might even like move my tools like to a different spot. We'll just see as we go. Maybe the tools would be good like in my primers drawer with like my sponges and stuff like that if there's room, because I feel like my primers aren't going to take up this whole thing. Now I don't even know if they still make these Stila things, but we'll keep them for now because you guys know how much I love them. And then I think the eye halos should fit. Yep. And like I said, I've got more eye halos, just need to find them. There should be 5 different colours. Alright, we're going to do cream, eyeshadows down here. Spare eye halos back here, and there'll be more stuff to fill up the gaps, I suppose. So there we go. We've got liquid eyeshadows, like the water to liquidy eyeliners, the bright ones, pigments, cream eyeshadows, glittery eyeshadows. Should I put them next to the glitters? Maybe, but also at my old setup I didn't have my glitters right next to all these, so we'll just see how we go. We can always move stuff around. And then down here we have like eyeliners, and then most used eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, you know, plus the like other bits and pieces. I might put this primer in here, like lash glues and scissors and things. We've got mascaras, brows, and primers down the front here. Let me show you better. So there you go, there's all the primers and everything. I do think overall this is very inspiring to me right now. I'm looking at all the colours and I'm like, I don't know, getting really excited about like all the different things I could do. So that's exactly what we want from a space. We want to be inspired, we want to see stuff and want to use it. Same here, like just seeing everything all at once. You know, I'd be doing my brows and figuring out, you know, what am I going to do on my eyes today, straight away while I grab my eye products. Things are going to catch my eye, which is perfect. And then just these are kind of like the finishing touches, and then we're going to have palettes and things somewhere. I don't really know, but this is what we've done so far. Man, this is kind of stressful. This is going to take a lot longer than I ever thought it would. The room doesn't even look like I've done anything, but we've started, so I will continue to film these. I might have like a little gap in between, you know, launching out these videos and other makeup videos and stuff like that, just so that we break it up a little bit. But yeah, get excited if you enjoyed this. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it already so far, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.